Many people feel when they're pulled over for the DUI that they don't have to give a blood test or a breath test, and that's absolutely wrong. California law actually makes it a separate crime to refuse a chemical test. The penalties are mandatory jail time on top of a DUI. So let's try and clarify this issue. It is not necessary to take the field sobriety tests. Those are optional. It is not necessary to take the preliminary alcohol screening test. But the moment you are arrested, they must give you the option of a blood or a breath test, and you must choose one of them. In order for the prosecution to convict you of the enhanced refusal allegation, they have to prove two things. One, that the officer read you a statement that said if you fail to take the blood or breath test, your license shall be suspended for 1 year or greater, and you will do jail time. And the second aspect the prosecution has to prove is that the refusal was willful. Those are two things that a good DUI attorney needs to attack. It wasn't too long ago that a client came in and was panicked. He had read about refusals on the internet after he'd been arrested for the DUI. He had waited a couple days and thought about it. He'd been losing sleep, and he was fearful of the mandatory jail sentence that comes with a DUI refusal. When he came in, he explained all the facts to me. He wrote out everything that happened. He discussed it completely and fully with me, and he was honest with me. But the one thing he was able to give me, the fact that the officer read him the admonition after he was put in the jail cell, after he had refused. That voided the refusal, and then we just had to fight it as a normal DUI case. But they had no evidence against him, and therefore charges had to be dropped. If you've been arrested for a DUI and you've just gotten out of jail, you need to make the most important decision: who's going to represent you. Time is of the essence. Before charges are filed, a lot can be done to try and stop this. Please give me a call. It's a free consultation, and come see me.